The iron gates groaned open, revealing a world Nelson Mandela had not seen for 27 years. He stepped into the sunlight, his face etched with the deep lines of a long, quiet struggle. For decades, he had lived within 4 cold stone walls, separated from the people he loved. Many expected him to emerge with a heart burning for revenge against those who held him. The nation watched in nervous silence, wondering if the country would erupt into a violent fire. Mandela stood tall, his eyes reflecting a profound peace that defied the history of his pain. He knew that bitterness was a poison that would only destroy the future he dreamed of. Instead of calling for war, he spoke words of reconciliation that echoed across the divided land. He reached out his hand to his former captors, choosing to build bridges rather than walls. People were stunned by his grace, seeing a man who had lost everything but kept his soul. He traveled from village to city, teaching that true power lies in letting go of hatred. The citizens began to listen, setting down their weapons to join hands in a new unity. Mandela became a symbol of hope, proving that even the deepest wounds can eventually begin healing. He invited his enemies to the table, showing them that they were part of one family. The atmosphere of the country shifted, moving from the darkness of fear into a bright dawn. Children played together in the streets, unaware of the deep shadows that once haunted their homes. Mandela walked among them, a humble leader who believed in the goodness of every human heart. He wore his smile like a shield, protecting the fragile peace he had worked to build. The world looked on in awe as a broken nation began to mend its fractured spirit. It was not an easy path, but Mandela walked it with steady, determined, and patient steps. He reminded everyone that forgiveness is not a sign of weakness, but a mark of strength. His life became a testament to the idea that love is always greater than any hate. He served his people with devotion, ensuring that the mistakes of the past were not repeated. The prison years had taken his youth, but they had gifted him a vision for humanity. He stood at the podium, his voice steady as he addressed the crowds gathered in joy. They cheered for a man who had chosen to forgive when he had every right to. The chains of the past fell away, replaced by the promise of a bright, shared future. Mandela looked out at the horizon, seeing a country finally standing together as one single people. His legacy grew, inspiring leaders across the globe to seek peace through understanding and deep empathy. He taught us that we are all connected, bound by the common thread of our humanity. As the sun set over the landscape, the nation felt a sense of calm and belonging. Mandela retired, knowing he had planted seeds of kindness that would grow for many generations. The story of his life remains a beacon, guiding us through our own moments of conflict. When we feel the urge to strike back, we remember the man who chose to forgive. His spirit lives on in every act of compassion and every bridge built between old rivals. Forgiveness is indeed the ultimate strength, the key to unlocking a world of peace for all.